Have you ever pressed the close door button on an elevator 10 times, even though you know it probably has nothing to do with anything? Or maybe you have a lucky pair of interview socks? We all do it. But what if your sense of control is just an illusion? What if giving up the struggle is the only way to finally find peace? Today we're looking at the psychology of the illusion of control. In psychology, it's our tendency to overestimate our impact on the world around us. Think of the year of uncertainty we just experienced in 2025. When the world seems chaotic, inflation, technological change, global tensions, our brains get desperate. It tries to find a way to steer, even if it's just a toy. This isn't madness, it's a survival mechanism. Our ancestors who thought they could control the rain or the hunt kept trying. They survived. In America, we are raised on the narrative of do it yourself. We are told, work hard enough and you can control your destiny. Sure, it's a powerful motivator, but it also has a dark side. When something goes wrong, we don't just feel like a failure. We feel like a failure. Psychologists call it skill chance confusion. Here's how your brain tricks you. Harvard's Ellen Langer discovered a strange glitch. When a situation looks like a game of skill, because you're making choices, competing, or just feeling comfortable, your brain flips a switch. It completely ignores the fact that the outcome is actually 100% luck. That's why sports betting has become so popular across the country. Apps make you feel like an expert with their statistics and risk-free parlays. But your brain is failing. It mistakes information for influence. You know the statistics, so you feel like you're on the field. But really, you're just a spectator with a smartphone. So how do we break the spell? Here are 4 science-backed steps. First, control audit. Draw 2 circles. In one, write down what you actually have control over. Your efforts, your reactions, your sleep. In the other, write down the rest. The economy, your exes, traffic. Focus 90% of your energy on that first circle. Second, Amor Fati. This is a Stoic concept popular among high-performing people today. It means love of fate. Instead of fighting reality, accept it as the raw material you have to work with. Third, identify your placebo buttons. Recognize your rituals. If that lucky shirt inspires you with confidence, wear it. But remind yourself, the shirt didn't get me the job. My knowledge and skills did. Fourth, good enough instead of perfect. Perfectionism is just the illusion of control in a fancy suit. Aim for 80% and leave the rest to the universe. The truth is, realizing that you're not in control is not a weakness. It's a superpower. This is the moment when you stop carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. You're not the pilot of the universe. You're just the pilot of your own ship, and that's enough. If this helped you breathe a little easier today, click subscribe and join us as we explore the human mind. See you in the next episode.